this detailed update, we are taking a deep dive into the latest and most credible information surrounding the highly anticipated Canon EOS R7 Mark II, a next-generation APS-C mirrorless camera that has been the subject of increasing speculation among photography enthusiasts, wildlife shooters, sports photographers, and hybrid creators who rely on fast performance, compact systems, and advanced stabilization. And while rumors earlier suggested a possible launch within the current year, new insider reports now strongly indicate that Canon is preparing to officially unveil the EOS R7 Mark II in early 2026, specifically shortly after the CP Plus camera and imaging show, which traditionally concludes in the first days of March, meaning the announcement window is now expected to fall in the first half of March 2026 rather than later in the year. A shift that has disappointed some users hoping to upgrade sooner, but also suggests Canon is taking additional time to refine what could be one of its most important APS-C releases to date, especially considering the strategic role the R7 line plays in Canon's mirrorless ecosystem as the only current APS-C RF mount body to feature in-body image stabilization, a feature that has made the original EOS R7 particularly appealing for handheld telephoto work, travel photography, and outdoor shooting where lens-based stabilization alone may not be sufficient. And despite the original R7 not being actively used by some owners due to limited native RFS lens options or competition from other systems, the platform itself remains compelling thanks to its balance of resolution, reach, and portability. And the Mark II version is rumored to build upon this foundation with meaningful internal upgrades rather than a radical redesign, beginning with a newly developed stacked APS-C sensor that is said to maintain a resolution of approximately 33 megapixels, matching the current model in pixel count but delivering faster readout speeds, improved rolling shutter performance, and better overall efficiency, which is why earlier rumors of a 40 megapixel sensor now appear unlikely, as Canon seems to be prioritizing speed, dynamic range, and data throughput over sheer resolution, especially for action-oriented use cases. And one of the most intriguing aspects of these leaks is the suggestion that the EOS R7 Mark II could become Canon's first interchangeable lens camera to completely eliminate a mechanical shutter, relying instead on a fully electronic shutter made possible by the high-speed stacked sensor design, a move that would significantly reduce vibration, increase durability, and allow for silent shooting in sensitive environments. Though it should be noted that this feature is entirely dependent on the sensor's readout performance, and if Canon ultimately opts against a stacked architecture, the mechanical shutter may remain, making this one of the key specifications to watch as launch approaches. And in terms of burst performance, the camera is rumored to support continuous shooting speeds of up to 40 frames per second, positioning it as a serious tool for capturing fast-moving subjects like birds in flight, motorsports, and field sports, while the electronic viewfinder is expected to use a new high-quality 2.36 million dot panel optimized for clarity, responsiveness, and reduced blackout, paired with a tilting rear LCD rather than a fully articulating screen, a design choice that strongly suggests Canon is positioning the R7 Mark II as a stills-first camera rather than a vlogging-centric hybrid, especially as Canon continues to expand its V-series lineup for video creators and is rumored to be developing a more video-focused APS-C model separately. And while some video shooters may be disappointed by the tilt-only monitor, the camera is still expected to deliver impressive video capabilities including 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, 10-bit color depth, and Canon Log 3 support, making it more than capable for slow motion, cinematic footage, and professional color grading workflows. And another widely welcome change involves the control layout, as reports indicate Canon will abandon the controversial joystick and dial combination used on the original R7 in favor of a more traditional joystick and rear control wheel configuration, improving ergonomics, tactile feedback, and overall usability, particularly for photographers who frequently adjust focus points or exposure settings without taking their eye away from the viewfinder. And image stabilization remains a major highlight, with the EOS R7 Mark II expected to retain and possibly enhance Canon's powerful in-body image stabilization system. offering up to 8.5 stops of shake correction when paired with compatible lenses. An exceptional figure for an APS-C body that further reinforces its suitability for handheld shooting with long focal lengths. And physically, the camera is rumored to grow slightly in size, approaching the dimensions of Canon's full-frame bodies like the R5 series, a change likely driven by the inclusion of dual CF Express Type B card slots, improved heat management, and a more robust internal structure, signaling that Canon is targeting serious enthusiasts and professionals who demand reliability, faster buffer clearing, and redundancy for critical work. And additional features reportedly include advanced computational photography options, in-camera upscaling, app-based shooting enhancements, and improved connectivity, all of which reflect Canon's broader push towards smarter, more integrated camera systems. And while the confirmed information at this stage primarily concerns the revised announcement timeline rather than finalized specifications, the overall picture that emerges is one of a carefully positioned, performance-oriented APS-C flagship that could set the tone for Canon's future mirrorless strategy, especially if the mechanical shutter-free design becomes a reality and paves the way for similar implementations across other models. And although there are still several months to wait before the official reveal, the EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be one of the most consequential Canon camera launches in recent years, combining speed, stabilization, and modern sensor technology in a compact format that appeals to photographers who value reach, mobility, and cutting-edge performance. And as more leaks, confirmations, and hands-on details surface in the lead-up to its expected March 2026 announcement, this camera will undoubtedly remain a focal point of discussion for anyone invested in the future of Canon APS-C mirrorless cameras, wildlife photography gear, sports shooting setups, and next-generation RF mount technology.